Now I quite often do a different colour for these two sections, but in this case, because I'm going with a lot of black so that the colours really pop, I'm going to stick with black. We now need to cut two pieces that are 6 3/4 by 6 3/4. And with these, I usually just go around the outside. Okay, so now we've got our two pieces. Remove the tape. I personally like to go from the corner, but you also need it lining up with this line. So I'm just centering that on the cover. It looks like that. There's your crease mark. And we're going to do the same with the other side. And that's the inside of your cover done. So the last thing that we need to do is to redo our holes. I'm just going to use my crocodile and go back through the holes that I had from before. And there we have our album cover ready for use. So grab your pages. If you've done what I've done and you've done a little bow, undo those. And we're going to thread through the cover. So your top set of holes will go, your top set of ribbons will go in this set of holes. And then I like to flip it over and go through from the other side. that through. Oopsie. And there's the pages. My advice at this point is don't tie a permanent knot here, just tie a bow. Check that your pages will move okay, and once you're happy that that the ribbon's not too tight, then tie a proper double knot before tying your bow. So if I open mine up, my pages move nicely, they're not too tight. I can open things that I need to open. So for me that's the right tension. So I'm going to start in the middle. This bit's easier with two people. I'm holding the knot in place. That's now secure, and I can tie a bow there if I want to. Again, I'm holding the knot in place. And you can trim the ends once your bows are done. And there's your album. Now you can add more embellishments to yours. So as I said, I'm going to stop there with 9 because I really like the way the covers turned out, and with that shiny wallpaper with the glitter embedded in it, I don't think it really needs anything else. At most I'd put a little plaque with a name on it if I was giving it to somebody, or if I was going to use it for a certain, say a holiday or something, I'd maybe put a title on it. But other than that, and you can decorate here as well, but other than that, this album's done. So add any embellishments that you want to add to embellish your album, make it your own. As I said, I've shown you 6 pages. If you've seen the donors video, you now know how to create more pages. You could do more than one of each page, it's up to you. But thank you very much for joining me for BAMP 2018. I hope you've enjoyed the tutorial. There's more coming soon. I've got a mini BAMP planned for near the end of March. There'll be details coming up of that one soon, and that's just a 1-week BAMP. I think we'll do like 2 or 3 tutorials to get through that one, and it will be another early level, not complex one. I don't think it's complex. And we'll go on from there. We'll see how many more I can come up with for you through the year. And I will also do things that are not mini albums, but I'm really enjoying doing this at the moment. So thank you again. Take care. Bye.